When it's time for a new ride, don't fret over which vehicle is best. We make car comparisons easy and convenient at TiptonFord.com. When you land on our homepage, hover over the Research tab and select Car Comparison from the drop-down menu. From that page, you'll see your favorite Ford models matched up against similar vehicles. Maybe you're considering a Ford Explorer and want to know how it matches up with Chevy Tahoe. Click that option and you'll see how the two stack up against one another in 3 categories: fuel efficiency, stability, and traction control, and the safety features. If a truck is more your style, you can compare the F-150's towing capacity, engine, and unique features to Nissan Titan, GMC Sierra, or Toyota Tundra. We even make the search process easy by displaying available Ford vehicles that match that comparison right on the same page. When you're ready to spend less, drive more, call or stop by Tipton Ford. We make car buying fast, easy, and convenient. Be sure to follow us on social too for more Tipton tips.